Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we're swapping out headlights. So we are going with these LEDs, which they're the same that we already have on, but these are actually black tint. So this is the red ones. If you guys are wondering how the red look, that's how the red look, but we're going with the black tint now. So let's go ahead and show you guys the difference. All right guys, so these are the smoked ones. So again, the smoked versus the red. I just like more stealthy look, so that's why we're going with the smoked ones now. You know, we already have the red ones. That was fun, so I'll alternate back and forth from time to time. But they make it very simple. Everything's plug and play. You just need a screwdriver if you have screws that are in here, which are screws, and we're just gonna swap them right out. It's very quick, very simple. All right, there we go. So to me, that's way more cleaner, blends better, and yeah, I'm happy with that. Just simply unbolt the two bolts on the side here, pull it out. That's it. It's so simple. All right guys, so we got it on. Now we just got to give the Jeep a nice bath, but I like that way better. Blends way better with the vehicle.